Hello class, we're going to go ahead and take some notes. Your homework will be this. It's going to be due Monday, and tomorrow there will be 3 cons released. There is a challenge one, and that challenge one will be extra credit. Okay, so jumping into your notes, okay, they look like this. This is the lesson 2 page. It's right after the one we did yesterday. And you are going to write with me, so I am expecting to see this when I get back on Monday. So, a numerical expression is a combination of numbers and operations, okay? So let's say you see parentheses 5 plus 4 minus 3 to the 4th times 2. Because there's all numbers and there's operations in there, it's a numerical expression, okay? And we're going to use Pemdas to solve that. So, just like before, Pemdas is your parentheses. And you are writing this with me. Okay, your grouping symbols, so maybe you have brackets. E is your exponents. Okay, just like we did yesterday, maybe 5 to the 3rd. Okay, multiply and divide are kind of on the same level. So to decide which one you're going to do first, you're just going to work left to right, the same way you read and write. Okay. Add and subtract work the same way. Okay, they're kind of on that same level, so you're going to work left to right. Okay, you do have this nice little visual over there to help you out. Okay, so let's do a couple example problems. Okay, evaluate just means we're going to solve them. Okay, so looking at that first one, we are looking for parentheses or any grouping symbol, and I see one right here. 9 minus 6 is 3, and I'm just going to rewrite everything. I'm not going to write the parentheses anymore because I already used them. Okay? Now I'm looking for exponents. I don't see any. I'm looking for multiply and divide. I see 2, but I'm going to work left to right. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, plus sign, and because there's a plus sign, I am going to do these two at the same time. Okay? 17 times 3 is 51. And there is no multiplication or division, so I'm just going to add them together to get 56. Okay, next one. I'm looking for parentheses. There are none, but I see an exponent. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36, and I am going to rewrite everything so I don't lose it. There's no more exponents. Multiply and divide. There is a multiply and no others. So 3 times 36 is 108 plus 4 because I haven't used it yet. And then I can use it for 112. Okay? Coming down here, looking for parentheses. Yep. 6 plus 4 is 10. Gonna rewrite everything so that I don't forget anything. Okay? 3 times 2 is 9. That's not 3 times 2. It's 3 times 3. 3 to the 2nd power is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Okay? And I'm just rewriting so I don't lose anything. Okay? I don't see any more exponents or parentheses, so I'm going to go on to multiplication. There is multiplication right here. Gets me 90. Okay, no multiplication or division, so add and subtract. I see both, but I have to work left to right. So 100 minus 90 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Okay? Last one that we're going to do for practice, I'm looking for parentheses, and I see it. Now, in there's a couple operations, so I'm going to do the exponents first, because I kind of start over. Okay, once I find the parentheses, I look, are there any parentheses inside? No, but there's an exponent. So 8 times 8 equals 64. So I have 64 divided by 2 fifths. I am going to keep these parentheses because I have not done everything that's inside yet. Okay? I'm going to put 64 over 1. I'm going to, so that's my copy, change, flip. I am going to cross simplify because it's faster for me. 32, and that's a 1. 32 times 5 is 160. And I'm going to go ahead and bring down the numbers that I have not used yet. If I'm working left to right, I would do this, but because I have to multiply first, I'm doing 160 times 2 to get 320. Bringing down the 5, and then I can add it because it's the only thing left. Okay? Go ahead, make sure you're using notes, do your very best on your homework. Email me if you have a question. Have a great day.